How to install outdoor storage sheds. Any building requires a firm, level and square foundation. Without it, your outdoor shed would be unstable. When deciding upon the pad's location, you need to consider a few things. Check on city or town restrictions and physical property limitations. An outdoor storage shed should be easily accessible, visually appealing and built to last. When deciding on your shed, scrutinize available kits. Check the quality of the included materials. Things you will need: safety glasses, gloves, shovel, carpenter's level, 2x4 lumber, gravel, landscape fabric. Research permits you might need for property easements, setbacks and neighborhood restrictions. You can find this information in your title closing paperwork, specifically the drawing of your property known as the plat. Check with the local utility companies and have the property flagged. This includes water, gas, sewer, phone and cable. Also check the property for any sprinkler system or low-volt lighting. Determine the shed's pad location with the items listed above taken into account. Remove the sod around the perimeter of the shed, including an additional 12 inches. Level the pad with a 4-foot carpenter's level and 2x4 lumber. Use a shovel to add or remove dirt. Check for level diagonally as well as side to side. Lay down a layer of landscape fabric over the dirt. Shovel a layer of gravel over the pad to a depth of 4 inches. Rake to keep the pad level. Install the shed over the gravel. Install a shed anchor at each corner of the shed. The anchor should slope slightly away from the shed. Fish the wire cable supplied with the tie-down kit over the skids under the shed to the opposite corner. Fasten the cable to the anchors with the hardware provided. Repeat this step for the other end of the shed. Tips: warnings. Soak the ground the day before to make it easier to screw in the anchors. Use a pry bar placed through the eye of the anchor to help screw it into the ground. It is the homeowner's responsibility to make sure companies flag items relating to their services. This will waive any damages if you hit a line that utility companies have not flagged. If you place the shed on an easement or setback, you may be required to move it or tear it down at your expense.